Alright guys, I'm coming back to Indian Rocks Beach. Oh, whoa! It looks like the pipes are gone. I think they took the black pipes gone. They were here Tuesday when I was here. I'm filming this on a Thursday. What the hell? They still got the piles up, but I think they took away the pipes. Oh wow, this is great. No more pipes. I can do a construction update now. What the hell? Yeah, they took the pipes away. Wow, looks a lot better. You just gotta smooth out the sand. I guess they'll probably do that tomorrow, I guess. Probably when I come back tomorrow they'll have it smoothed out, but that's just the next project, I guess, to smooth it out. What the hell, man? They took the pipes away. Cause remember I would come up on this big sand dune, remember? Oh, that's how I would get over here. Oh, whoa. Yep. They're all gone. Wow, that was fast. Oh, wow, that ship's over there now. I know you guys can't see it, but the ship's over here now. That's where the pipe comes out of that ship. It was way over here, and they moved it over there. So that's probably why they got rid of the pipes, no more pipes. And then the next thing, the final thing here, they just gotta smooth this out. So I guess they'll just take, I don't know what they take to smooth it out, but I guess they'll do that. They probably just got to did all the pipes today, I guess. Wow. No more pipes, guys. It's almost back to normal. Oh wow, they took away my, what the hell? They took away my things where I sit. I wonder why they took those away. I would sit right over there. They took those away. But yeah, they got all these piles, so they must be getting ready to smooth it all out. You see all the piles over here on the sides here. So, wow. No more pipes, guys. Let me see if I can get around here and go back down here. They took the pipes out. No more black pipes. They took it out, so now maybe Friday they'll have all this smoothed out by Friday. Yeah, it'll be a big job smoothing all this out, I guess. But yeah, there's a pipe was just along all that down there, man. Yeah. This is cool. Now they just gotta smooth all this out. And once they smooth it out, I think it's gonna be really good. Obviously, man, it's a lot wider. Look how wide it is. Jeez. So much wider. Yeah. But yeah, they had the trucks coming to get it, but yeah, so that's probably their next project, maybe tomorrow. Is to come over here and smooth all this out. And then do something with those big piles over there. They got big, all along here they got big piles of dirt or sand, I guess. So I'm guessing they'll smooth all this out here. All these big piles. Oh, I got lightning over here. Just smooth all this out here, and then they'll be done, you know. The big pile down there. But yeah, suckers are moving fast, man. Jeez. Wow. Hey, I didn't think the pipes would be gone this fast. But they're gone. Oh yeah, they took where I used to sit right there, man. I used to sit right there. They took that out of here. I don't know why. Because they would sell like chairs and stuff right where I sit, like during the daytime. So maybe they have to once they had to have that taken out while they're getting ready to smooth it out tomorrow. So it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. It's all smoothed out. But yeah, I'm here at sunset. Sunset's in about, I don't know, less than a half hour here. Yeah, it's not really good sunset. We had some rain in there. But there you go. Alright guys, I just thought I'd give you an update. We're almost back to normal. Let's get rid of these big piles and we'll be back to normal. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.